BSL English audio with subtitle support. Llywelyn Fawr statue, Lancaster Square. This colourful statue of Llywelyn ap Iorwerth, Llywelyn Fawr, was created by E.O. Griffith of Liverpool in 1895. It stands on a fountain by architects Grayson and Ould. Llywelyn Fawr was reputedly born near Llywelyn, near Betws y Coed, in 1174. Llywelyn defeated his own uncle in a battle near Conwy in 1194 and went on to expand his territory across much of Wales, earning him the title Tywysog Cymru, Prince of Wales. The fountain's inscription asserts that Llywelyn founded Aberconwy Abbey in 1184, when Llywelyn was still a child. Cistercian monks laid the abbey's foundations in 1172, but it wasn't until 1186 that the facilities had reached the standards required for the complex to be officially called an abbey. The original church of Aberconwy Abbey survives, with various alterations, as St Mary's and All Saints' Church. Llywelyn died in 1240 and was buried in the grounds of Aberconwy Abbey, and it is said that Conwy Castle stands on the spot where Llywelyn was interred. Later that century, King Edward I expelled the monks and Llywelyn's remains were moved to Meinan in the Conwy Valley. An empty stone coffin, reputedly Llywelyn's, is now in the small chapel adjoining St Grost's Church at Llanrwst. The remains were lost long ago, perhaps during the 16th century dissolution of Britain's monasteries. The fountain and statue commemorated completion of the water supply scheme based on Llyn Cowlyd's reservoir. They were a gift from former Conwy Mayor Albert Wood, the wealthy businessman who lived in Bodlondeb, just outside the town's walls. The bronze statue was unpainted until the 1950s.